off on our next adventure. Just woke up Saturday morning, had a bit of breakfast, and now we've come to Timbersbrook car park, just outside Congleton, to go for a run up the cloud. It's not the nicest of days. What is it, 6 or 7 degrees, I think?
It's not raining though.
No rain forecast at all, is there?
Not too windy. It's just the sun's not out.
No sun. Saren forgot to wake the sun up this morning when she got up. Thought we'd let the sun have a lie-in for a change. So this is our usual run from home. It's only about 15-20 minutes in the car. It's really handy. There's lovely views on a nice day, but very muddy sometimes. Very muddy. So that's probably the worst bit of the climb up the cloud. Just a load of steps at the beginning.
Right at the beginning.
Before you've even warmed up and you're in the mood and you're ready, you have to go up 100 steps. It's not too bad after that. Here comes the wind. It's going to be nice and windy at top. There's some dedicated cycle routes here as well. Yeah, so this route, it's about a 10-11 kilometre route in total, nice loop. Starts off going up the cloud, it's just a little hill mountain thing, some good views. Then we go down the other side of the cloud and head out towards a village, through some farmland, and then all the way back around back to the car. It's a nice little route, nice and steady, plus being quite close to the house helps as well.
It's a local route, not too strenuous, apart from the beginning.
Yeah, no, anytime we come it's fairly quiet. Like, this is late for us now, 9 o'clock, well, 9:15, isn't it by now, 9:20. We've seen one person so far. I think the most we've ever seen on here is like 4 or 5 people. I don't like too many people. Don't like any people. Place to herself, that'd be even better. Nearly made it to the top. Haven't mentioned yet, but if you didn't get it from the last few videos, we're still not well. My tonsils are still a bit achy and sore. Get gargle every now and then at night with salt water. Sarah had to go to the pharmacy the other day for eye drops, Sudafed stuff, but we still made it. Still got to the top. Sheep in the field for once. Every time we come through this field, we sink down to our ankles in mud.
It's a bog.
It's just a bog. There's never any animals in it though, but today they've got sheep in here. See how this goes. Again, the sheep are coming towards us. It's nowhere near as boggy as normal this.
Usually it's like that.
Yeah, usually it's just like that the whole way through. Like this bit here, but across the whole field. I think because it's not rained for a few days, it's a lot better than normal. Oh no. Feet getting wet time. That wasn't the plan. Feet are soaking, feet are soaking.
Can you do that again?
No. Do you want to do it again?
A bit of mud, don't we?
We love mud. That's why we come on these runs. Which way are you going through?
Straight through.
Go on then, straight through.
I think it's best up there.
I think you're getting muddy whichever way you go. Oh. Ah!
It's going inside my shoes.
I know.
And the mud.
We're doing this and you'd think our shoes are waterproof, but they're not. We're getting rid of the mud and soaking our socks at the same time. Not really nice. Feels like much better than mine. Yeah, cold, wet feet.
I'm off.
So we're nearly at Rushton now, which is the little village we run towards. A few houses. And then we start looping back around through some more fields, some more farmland and some more trails. Heading back to Timbersbrook and the car park at the bottom of the cloud. Just where we started. Unfortunately, we weren't sensible enough to pack spare shoes or spare socks.
We usually do.
We usually do.
But this time we thought,
Yeah, nah.
Alright.
It's not rained for the last few days, so we'll be alright, we'll get muddy. Be alright. So we're gonna be getting in the car with soaking wet, muddy shoes and socks. And it's gonna be a delicious drive home. Yeah, Serin's car's the nice car. My car's the scruffy one. And we're in my car today, which is good.
they're not in.
I wonder if they're in. Or if they're not in. Into the fields now. The muddy fields.
Shoes are not clean anymore.
Nope. You chose the muddy route.
Courage was just to run straight through.
Good job we
it.
watched those a minute ago. Man, you're alright. I went the clever way.
Just run through it.
Just run through it. Far now. Not far now.